Hi everyone, this is the Verity from Venkateshwar School. In today's session for class 10th, chapter 8, How Do Organisms Reproduce, part 2, we will be covering the following topics: mode of asexual reproduction, that is fragmentation and regeneration, and the advantages of asexual reproduction.
Fragmentation, which is another mode of asexual reproduction. It is the process in which breaking up of the body of an organism into two or more parts called fragments, and each of which grow into a new individual. Fragmentation is quite common in simple multicellular organisms such as algae, fungi, and bryophytes. Now you can see the example of fragmentation here in the diagram of Spirogyra, which simply breaks up into smaller pieces or fragments upon maturation, and these pieces grow into new individuals. Now, the next type of asexual reproduction which we are going to study is regeneration. Regeneration is the process of renewal of any lost part of the body or the formation of whole body of an organism from a small fragment. For example, in the case of planaria, if we cut it into any number of pieces, we see that each piece grows into a complete organism. Regeneration is carried out by some specialized cells which are present in the body of the organisms. These cells proliferate and make large number of cells. From this mass of cells, which we call callus, different cells undergo cell differentiation and become various cell types and tissues. These changes take place in an organized sequence referred to as development. Now let's study the advantages of asexual reproduction. In asexual reproduction, only single parent is involved. It does not require the time and energy then required in the case of sexual reproduction. It results in the reproduction of large number of offsprings rapidly. Like in plants, it enables to spread and colonize an area in short period of time. Animals that are confined to a particular area and unable to find a suitable mate reproduce asexually, and desirable characteristics can be easily incorporated into plants with the help of artificial vegetative propagation. Now, some disadvantages of asexual reproduction. As single parent is involved, so there is very little chances of variation. In most of the cases, simple organisms, the parent generation ceases to exist after asexual reproduction, as you see in the case of fission in amoeba. In asexual reproduction, it doesn't give rise to biodiversity, which is important for healthy ecosystem. Thank you.